Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Speech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the deleted files from your hard disk or pen drive. You can able to recover all kind of media files like photos, videos, audio clips and some documents. I have 4 TB hard disk. In that the file showing 2.80 GB only. Some files are missing, but still it is there. It's not showing in my computer. For that, what we need to do this, I tried so many softwares. In that, only one software helped me. That software name is called ECS data recovery software. Install and open the software. It shows like that. The left side window showing before the recovery of my hard disk. The right side window showing after the recovering files with folder. This process can take many hours, depends upon your computer speed. That's all friends. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, comment below. Definitely I will reply you. Thank you for watching friends.